we need confidence to speak in English. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But how can we get the confidence? That is the first question. How can we get the confidence? And that everybody is searching everywhere. That how can we get the confidence? How can we get the confidence? Can we buy the confidence?
No.
Can we buy the confidence? Yeah, I want 1 kilo confidence. I want 2 kilo confidence. I want 3 kilo confidence. Can we buy the confidence from anywhere?
No.
Can we buy the confidence?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No, we cannot buy the confidence. Can we sell our confidence? I have got more 3 kilo of confidence. I want to sell my confidence. Can I sell my confidence?
No.
Can I sell my confidence?
No.
I just want to tell you, we cannot buy a confidence. We cannot sell a confidence. Then how can we get the confidence? We can get the confidence by a mental. We are confident. And when we are not mentally prepared, we are not confident. So then again one question, how can we become mentally prepared? Right? How can we become mentally prepared? If you want to become mentally prepared, I have given this what solution I am going to give right now. I have given this solution to my one student at the time of interviews, and he was very excited about his interview, and he went for the interview and he faced his interview and he got selected and he became an IPS officer. So I just want to give you that trick for you all. If you want to be confident in your life, you should always have this thing in your mind, that is, I think, therefore I am. Follow me. I think, therefore I am. This formula is very important in the life, in everybody's life. I think, therefore I am. I think, I can speak English. Therefore, I can speak English. Do actions, everybody. I think, I can speak English. Therefore, I can speak English. I think, I am fluent in English. Therefore, I am fluent in English. I think, I am learning English nowadays. I am making some mistakes. But I will correct my mistakes. And I will keep speaking till I become fluent in English. I think, I don't scare of anybody. Therefore, I don't scare of anybody. I think, I am the best person. Therefore, I am the best person. So this self-talk is very important. Whenever you face yourself that you are in trouble, just have a self-talk. It will do a work of a mantra. It will give you lots of energy to face the problems. So if you want to increase your confidence, you need to go for a self-talk every day. Because nowadays in the world, everywhere there are the waves of the negative thoughts, negative feelings, negative actions. And if we want to save ourselves, we want to escape from these all negative feelings, negative waves, negative circumstances, then we need to force ourselves, energize ourselves, enthusiase ourselves that no, I am not that person, I am a very confident person. No, I am not that fearful person, frightened person, I am very delighted person, I am very happy person. Alright, would you do that every day?
Yes, sir.
Every day?
Yes, sir.
I think the best time to do a self-talk is after you take a bath or before you go to sleep. These two timings you have to do the self-talk from today onwards itself. Would you do the self-talk every day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again. I think I'm good in English. Therefore, I'm good in English. Two actions. I think I'm good in English. Therefore, I'm good in English. I think I'm a hardworking person. Therefore, I'm a hardworking person. I think I am the best spoken English student. Therefore,
Therefore,
I am the best student.
I am the best student.
I think
I
can talk to anybody in English.
I can talk to anybody in English.
Therefore,
Therefore,
I can talk to anybody in English.
I can talk to anybody in English.
Okay, if you do this 10 minutes every day, I think you will very earlier you will become to speak in English fluently. Now only self-talks are not important. Important are actions. Now you start doing on actions. I just want to give you the second tip. It's very important. Don't get influenced.
Don't get influenced.
Don't get influenced with the English personalities
With the English personalities.
or non-English personalities.
Or non-English personalities.
See, we have become very new in this world. But this world is very new for us. Every day we face new people, new things, new time, new seconds, new days. Everything is new in this world. But we are not ready to accept that we are also new every day. Understand? We want ourselves to feel that we are in the old position. So what happens? We get influenced by the people. Suppose anybody wears a blazer or something, and then we just get influenced by that person, and then we just start feeling about self like, no, we are not the person like him. My English is not like his English in this way. Understand? So I just want to give you one example. There was one boy. He just came from any rural area. Suppose he came from Bor or somewhere. He came in Pune, and he was just a very new in Pune, and he was with his file, all the biodata and everything, and he went in one multinational company. And when he went in the multinational company, he saw all the auto doors and everything, and he started changing himself. And when he went in, then he saw one very beautiful lady wearing the top and blazer and jeans and doing a catwalk. Understand? And that beautiful lady came to him, and then she asked him, "Hey, hello, how are you?" What she asked?
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Then that person got frightened. नहीं कुछ नहीं, ऐसा ही आया था. Actually, he came to drop a CV, but he could not drop a CV. Why he could not drop a CV? Because he got influenced by that lady. He got influenced by that lady, and then he went out, and then he once again came to Pune, and then he joined Inspiring English Speaking Center, and here he came to know what is the answer of hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? What is the answer?
I'm
fine, thanks, and you?
you.
So after getting preparation and everything, once again he went in the same company. But now he was confident. When he went in, then same that beautiful lady wearing the blazer, jeans and doing a catwalk, that beautiful lady came in front of him, and she asked him, "Hello, how are you?" Then that person told, "I'm fine, thanks, and you?" Then that beautiful lady replied, "हाँ, कहाँ है आपका CV? दे दीजिए मुझे." Understand? So I just want to tell you that you don't know that whether he or she is an English speaker. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
But we start assumptions. We start always assuming something that, oh, she looks beautiful, it means she is a good English speaker. Oh, she looks like a foreigner. Foreigner, it means speaking in English, fluent in English. Understand? So please do not have these assumptions in your life. Just go, face the people, know the people, then you will start speaking English with them, and then you will start getting the confidence. Please do not stay away from the people. Do not stay away from the people. Go to them, talk to them, realize to them that how they speak in English, how you speak in English, and then you will start facing them, and then one day you will become confident to speak in English. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, Now third tip I would like to give you. Follow me. Listen.
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 Understand.
Understand.
And then speak.
And then speak.
Listen.
Listen.
Understand.
Understand.
And then speak.
And then speak.
See, whatever we do, sometimes we are in very hurry. So we do not listen to the people and we just speak in English. And then what happens? We make many mistakes. I just want to tell you that good listeners are the best speakers. Good listeners are the good speakers. The best listeners are the best speakers. Okay, just follow me. Good listeners are
Good listeners are
the best speakers.
the best speakers.
So from today onwards,
From today onwards,
I will
I will
listen carefully,
listen carefully,
understand properly,
understand properly,
and speak correctly.
and speak correctly.
Correctly it means not grammatical correctly. Correctly it means responding correctly. Grammatical correctly, that is a linguistic problem. But if you speak something grammatically incorrect, it's okay with English. No problem, because people prefer that you need to talk to them. They do not prefer that what is your language. Suppose anybody comes from Karnataka in Maharashtra and he asks you, okay, tea pani dya, then what you do? Do you give him water or do you correct him? What do you do? What do you do? We give him water. We do not correct his Marathi. Am I right?
Yes.
But when we think about English, then we think very different. We are not ready to make mistakes. Even we go to Inspiring English Speaking Center, then also we do not speak English outside. Why we do not speak English outside? जब मुझे पूरा इंग्लिश आएगा तब मैं बाहर जाकर के इंग्लिश में बोलूं। तो पूरा इंग्लिश कभी नहीं आएगा और ये बंदा बाहर कभी भी जाकर
नहीं बोलेगा।
Nobody is 100% in this world. I just want to tell you. Nobody is 100% in this world. Even you are very near to your last stage, then also you will not become perfect in English. Because English is a very vast language. And English has no place for the narrow-minded people. It has only the place for the open-minded people. In Sanskrit there is one Subhashit I just want to tell you. I am Nija Paro Vyakti Ganana Lagu Chetasam Udar Charitanam Tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Understand? The persons who say that no, I am not going to face these people because they are not mine. I don't know them. They don't know me. I am Nija Paro Vyakti. I am Nija Para Vyakti. Ganana Lagu Chetasa. The person who always thinks that he is not mine, I don't know him, these are like very narrow-minded people. The person who thinks that, oh, she is mine because we are in this world. And we are in this world in 2017, 17th of August 2017. These all people are mine. These are my brothers and sisters. These are, I like them. Why I like them? Because we are born in the same time. I am not born in the time of Bapuji. But I am very lucky to see all these people. So I am Nija Paro Vyakti Ganana Lagu Chetasam Udar Charitanam Tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So I just want to tell you that please talk to everybody because you are very lucky to have them here. Do not scare of anybody in this world. Why? Because you are very lucky to have them here and they are very lucky to have you here in this world. After some years, you are not going to see them and they are not going to see you. And if you see them, then you will not see them here. Understand? So don't be narrow-minded, be an open-minded, be ready for making mistakes. Be ready for making mistakes and don't be ashamed of your mistakes that I am making mistakes. No, I am in a learning stage. I must make a mistake. I'm in a learning stage. I must make a mistake. If it is my first day of swimming, will I be able to swim as a fast swimmer? No. I will be drinking more and more water, and I will not be able to swim for more than 5 minutes. Am I right? So in every skills we understand that is our learning stage. In our vehicles we understand, yeah, this is my learning stage. Sometimes I will push the brake, sometimes I will pull the brake, sometimes I will not see the road. In every skills we understand. Even making chapatis we understand that today is my first day, so it is like India. Today is my second day, so it is China. And today is my 30th day, so it is now globe. Understand? So everywhere we try to communicate ourselves. No, it's okay. Mama, I have made a chapati. Then mama also becomes very happy to see the map of India. But in English, we come in Inspiring English Speaking Center. We speak in English more and more here. And when you go in your family and your mama says, "Rita, I have given you 7,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees to go and join Inspiring Academy. Just speak a bit more sentences." Mama, when I will become fluent in English, then I will talk to you. This is the answer of your mystery. So I just want to tell you, I am Nija Porovetti Ganana Lagu Chetata. And this is a narrow-minded attitude. Very narrow-minded attitude. What is my attitude, you know? If I learn just 10 sentences, I go outside and speak 10 sentences. If I learn something new formula, you know, I just arrange a seminar and talk to my students. If I get some new idea, you know, I just open the movie maker and I just make a movie and I just upload on YouTube. But I think nowadays students are only ready to copy and paste. Copy and paste. WhatsApp, copy and paste. Facebook, WhatsApp, copy and paste. But I just want to tell you, if you do this copy and paste in English, you will become fluent in English earlier. Listen. So I just want to tell you, have a burning desire to speak in English. If you have a burning desire to speak in English, you will never be failed in speaking English fluently. I just want to tell you, and do not feel yourself that you are weak, you are poor, your English is not good, your friends' English is very good, they are convent educated, they are like their parents are like IAS, IPS officers, everybody speak in good English. No. Don't think about others. Think about yourself. Don't compare about others. Compare your past with your present. Compare your past with your present. Don't compare others with yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare your past with your present. That's how was I in the past and how am I in the present. I just want to tell you, you are not weak. And I just want to tell you that if you have confidence, if you have burning desire, maybe you are weak, but then also you can become a winner. Then also you can become a winner.